What's going on, YouTube? Long time no see. We are actually here at Detail Grounds here in Orlando. They do a bunch of PPF, tint, and detailing here. We got the whole crew lined up over there. The whole squad came out today. You guys probably see it from the title and the thumbnail. We are here to see Ben's new Corolla, right?
Corolla again?
So yeah, we got the whole Orlando crew out today. It's gonna be a fun day. Ben, Shame M3, Shrug Media. What is his new name? Built with Ben on Instagram. The dream team's back, by the way. You already know. So Ben, Built with Ben now on Instagram, Shrug Media on YouTube, is revealing his new car today. So you guys probably already seen it from the thumbnail, but it's gonna be an exciting day. I already know. I think Danny already knows. Yeah. We're gonna interview some other people, see what they think, but we're gonna get some wrong answers only guesses and see what people think. We got the GTR, we got Wang, thousands.
Yeah, I actually don't know. I did.
You
not
don't know
ask.
actually?
I did not want to know.
All right, we got Jam Alpha.
I wanted to be fresh.
Nice.
Yeah. I did not want to know. I wanted to see it.
All right, so you're his best friend, but wrong answers only. What do you think?
Oh, I mean, man. All right. Well, there's some cars that I know that he's always wanted that you guys probably don't know.
Right.
So that being said, I'm gonna go CTSV.
Ooh, that would be hard. I fuck with those. We got S58 Danny. We got my boy Daniel. We have a GT4, C8. A long time no see on the channel. Miss you, man. All right, we got F30 Skirt. Long time no see on the channel. What do you think the car is? Wrong answers only.
Ben gave me a hint around 550 horsepower.
Okay.
So, that lead me to a few things. I think it's an M3 CS.
Ooh.
He's been hinting Porsche, but...
Yeah, if you guys don't know Ben, I think it's either, I mean, I already know, but if I was to not know, I think it's either a P car or a special edition BMW.
He was talking about Aston Martin, but...
Oh, yeah.
I don't
see it.
Ben.
I don't see him leaving yet.
Yeah.
All right, good guess. We have Jamal Z92. We have Zai's M240, F30 Skirts 340. My boy Kyler, haven't seen him in a while. And yes, another M4, or Caleb, pulled up on the Can-Am Spider. How funny is that? Ben is actually going to be doing the reveal in about 10 minutes. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys and get everybody's reaction that doesn't know. Again, shout out to Detail Ground for being open on a Sunday and doing this reveal for us. Again, Ben decided to invite some of his close friends and family for this reveal. So it's a big day for the guy. Super proud of him, super happy for him. Make sure you guys go congratulate him on Instagram, YouTube, all the above. And last but not least, the man. What's up, baby? It's good, dude. All right, Chris, we know you know, but wrong answers only. What car is it?
Ben got money, so I'm gonna say GC3 RS. Yep.
Brand new Honda Accord.
Those are pretty nice, too.
And then Daniel had a good guess. What was it?
Ben snatched my old RCF.
Sheesh.
Good answer.
One of two?
Yeah.
I would say either one of these, a GT4,
Everyone commenting on it.
or
Everything is funny.
a Targa 911.
Ooh, that would be hard.
Right?
Those are rare.
It's always a good look.
Wayne, do you know?
No.
You don't know? Genuinely?
Ken knows. Ken's in there.
Oh,
Wait, you know the car?
Yeah, he told me.
Imagine that.
fuck?
But I'm asking guesses.
Fuck you, Ben. I don't give a fuck what their car is. The fuck kind of shit is this?
All right, Rain, what's the guess? Wrong answers only.
I don't know. I don't really care that much.
You hungover, bro? You tired?
I just don't I hate doing shit like this. So.
That's funny.
Man, this man's antisocial today. What?
Social club.
I'm gonna talk to myself now. He's about to reveal the car, but wrong answers only. What do you guessing is coming out?
Kia Forte. That's my guess.
That's a good one.
Daily.
I feel it's like one of those baby shower reveals.
Yeah.
Like, is there gonna be blue smoke or
Blue or pink? Blue or pink?
Honestly. People that didn't make it on time. Slacking. Slacking, definitely. Big dog.
Blue or pink? Blue or pink?
Oh, yeah.
Boy, girl. What's going on, Ken?
Good to see you, brother.
Yeah, we got Ben.
Yeah, Mr. Benjamin.
Here we go. Speech time.
All right, guys. Well, yeah. Little speech. Nothing too crazy. Just want to say thank you for everybody who showed up today. It means a lot to me. As I said in the text messages, I consider you guys to be some of my closest friends. All of you were essentially there and or present for the F80 M3, and majority of you know how much that car meant to me. So to lose it prematurely as I did, only having it for a little over a year, was pretty devastating, as most of you know. I pretty much went dark on social media at that point in my life, and I knew that I really had to lock in for whatever was to come next, whether it was a BMW, a Porsche, an Aston Martin, an Audi, whatever the case may be. So some special thank yous. I want to say thank you to G and Thiago, the owners of Detail Grounds, for allowing me to come out here today and show off this car to you guys. I'd like to thank Ken for driving 3.5 hours all the way from down south to vlog this experience.
For Ben, absolutely.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate that. Some faces you may not have seen for a while. Caleb's here.
Yes.
To come out the house. I invited him, so thank you, Caleb, for coming, brother. I appreciate it. Thank you, of course. And then some special thank yous to some special individuals. To me, I'd like to thank my best friend Jamal. My best friend now of 14 years. He has helped me throughout my lifetime and deciding on things that I want, things that I want to do in life, so on and so forth. So Jamal, thank you for always being there for me, buddy. I appreciate it.
Whatever.
A little
emotional.
A little appreciation for his brother Michael here. He just recently graduated from basic training in AIT for the United States Army. And, he's down here right now on his leave, experiencing this with me, so thank you. I'd like to also give a big shout out to Mike. As you guys may know, I'm 9'7". He's been a great influence in my life when it comes to financial things and advice, and he's helped me along the way, along these years, to really help narrow down things that I decide to do in my life. So thank you, Mike, for that. Wang, I'd like to thank Wang as well. We all know Wang is very opinionated on things, but that opinion that he has is definitely forethought for, you could say, when it comes to life choices, things you do in life, and so on and so forth. So Wang, thank you for always giving me your opinion, buddy. It's brought me to where I am here today. Special thanks to Kyler as well. Kyler, the boy, he was very motivated at one point in life and is still very motivated in the things that he does, and that gave me a little bit more motivation to focus in, lock in, and get stuff done. As most of you know, people invite me out to places and I either say I refuse or I'm busy working, and all of you know that I do work very hard. I am in an industry where it is very physically demanding, but the reward of hard work always shows in some way, shape, or form, whether it be a brand new car, a house you bought, or just your lifestyle in general. Thank you also, Viet. I know you made a far drive as well because you were down south with the fam. So thank you for coming out
Anytime,
as
brother.
well. So, with all that being said, G, if you'll go ahead and text Thiago.
Wait, let me get the other camera.
Yeah, go ahead. All right. Yeah, so I don't know if they can hear me in there. You can text them. You can text them to open it. So without further ado, as most of you know, I have a saying. Kylie knows it pretty well. But that saying is, if you want a fast car, buy a fast car. And if you want a track car, buy a track car. All of you, my brand new 2025 individual Riviera Blue M4 CS. Let's go.
And congrats to the boy. Congrats to the boy. Insanely proud of you, my mom. Love you, man. Woo, Riviera Blue. You guys see it here. Shout out to Detail Ground. Riviera Blue. M4 CS boys. CS boys. Damn, son. All right, let's hear it. Guess. Surprise?
I am. I didn't think he was a two-door guy.
That's what I thought. That's what I told him over the phone. I said, no way. And he ditched the white. I've never seen him ditch a white color too.
He ditched the white.
And what? Oh, thank God. Yeah.
And he ditched the white.
You seen it before?
It was, dude, I guarantee you. Unless you picked it up somewhere else. Did you know or not? No.
So Riviera Blue M4 CS. What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts?
Bro, awesome.
Insane spec.
I didn't know he would go for a coupe, but
That's the verdict, or that's what everybody's been saying so far.
Yeah.
So Ben is notorious for having sedan. He likes his sedans, he likes his 4-doors, and he also likes white cars. So for him to step out of his comfort zone, get a Riviera Blue CS, this is insane. Shout out to G and Thiago here. They killed it. What you think? What you think?
$100,000 more, maybe.
Moto Gear approved?
Yeah, especially the color.
Yeah, the color is insane. The CS buckets,
Yeah, with the red on the inside.
the red, yeah. Ooh, you guys see
Carbon
it?
on. Ooh, that looks good.
Just like a M5 CS, you guys got the same red black buckets, and it actually complements the blue so well. Black, red, and blue just complement each other so well. And yeah, you guys see it right there. That's insane. Insane.
Or it was going to be an Aston Martin.
Nice.
Vantage. If it wasn't. I was actually going to look at a GT4 and an Aston Martin the same week that this came.
That would have been hard. As a mid, would have been
That's what I
hard.
thought. I swore up and down.
Yeah. Everybody said GT4 or an Aston.
But I mean, it goes to show that Ben can't leave the BMW.
He can't leave. He can't leave BMW yet.
It's in his blood. No.
Yeah. Baller. Big Ben baller. Yeah. What do you do for a living, Ben?
Pretty unique. Of course, you know, I was surprised that he got
Heart of the beast. Again, this is all-wheel drive, X-Drive, M4CS, 2025, brand new, off the showroom floor. He said he doesn't even or barely has its break-in miles right now. So congrats to my boy Ben on that brand new car, baby. What plans you got?
Right now, plans are
Long-term plans.
Long-term plans. Well, short-term plans, quick. Yeah. Obviously, full body PPF.
Right.
We're gonna be doing stealth, so the frozen individual Riviera blue.
Hell yeah. I tried looking it up that same day he called me, and I couldn't even find that one card.
Yeah.
So I gotta see how it looks, bro. I think it's gonna look insane. Yeah.
Anybody ever done this?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
So I think that's gonna look insane.
Yeah, that'll be on the front end. Obviously, some goodies from INDs, some gloss black roundels, some paint match reflectors.
Right.
Little small stuff to start, and then moving forward, probably some wheels, maybe BBS or HREs. We're probably gonna do some even turdy intakes, maybe change out the strut brace for something a little more aesthetically pleasing.
Right.
But yeah, and then take it to the track and beat the shit out of it.
Hell yeah. Again, huge congrats to my boy.
Appreciate you, brother.
You guys see it here, right here, in the flesh. It's amazing. And even the carbon mirrors forgot to showcase. M4. I had to get the CS boys on the camera for once. All right, same question you asked me on your vlog. Are you surprised? What were you expecting? Let's hear your thoughts.
I had no idea what car he was going to choose. I thought he was flirting with the idea of an Aston Martin. He mentioned that a few times. And then I also thought about a Porsche, right? Because he's always mentioned that too. So being fed those informations months ago, I thought it was going to be that. But I also thought too, I'm like, why is he inviting all these people to see this review? It has to be a BMW. I thought originally it might be like a G80 high spec, like individual color and stuff, CCBs, all that stuff.
Yeah.
He did mention that before, but when I got here today, this morning, and I saw the car, and I saw the color first, and I kind of knew, I was like, damn, man. If he did it, he was gonna do it big, and this is big, right? To have a car that's low production, it's a special model, and also being a unique color. Riviera blue is not a common color, and also his previous cars in the past were always just like plain white, plain Jane and stuff. But to see a unique color and the way he's gonna mod it, it's gonna be interesting to see, especially with the matte PPF. Matte PPF is gonna definitely insinuate a lot of these body curves that the G8X has. But it's good to have another big grill gang part of it. So
yeah, I was thinking about it too, and like I really didn't think Ben was ready to leave the BMW family yet. Maybe after this car, but yeah, you know what I mean. Like I'm super happy for him. Ken made the drive with wifey,
all the way looking at the other cars,
all the way from Melbourne. So we made the trip today, and again, huge shout out to Ben. He's absolutely killing it. Any more plans for your car?
My car is actually at Samuel's right now, getting a couple touches done. It should be back by this week. My biggest plan is to make sure it's roadworthy again. I got to get it fully PPF, which the front bumper needs to get repainted, re-PPF, the hood, fenders, and doors. So once they do all that, then I'm just gonna chill because that's a lot of money. So,
and for those of you guys that didn't watch either of our vlogs, which is probably a few number of you guys, what did you do before the show?
So right before the show, I brought the car up to Samuel's and we got a full carbon fiber hood from Borsteiner, and my fenders were all done with Carbonia. So pretty much the whole front end, besides the front bumper, is carbon. And I knew I wanted to get it done right because if I'm blending the car with, paint-wise, I knew they were going to do it seamlessly. Because a lot of people that comment on my video was like, hey, the car is never going to look the same. It's not going to be better than OEM paint, which I can understand because there are doubts. But when people came to the show, they came up to me and was like, hey, Ken, they did an amazing job. I can't tell it was repainted.
I couldn't tell you the amount of people that I was walking with or I heard walk by the car and it was like, yo, it looks so hard. One of the best G80s probably at the show. And I don't know if I told you in person yet. It looks good. It looks amazing, bro.
Appreciate it, brother.
And yeah, so PPF soon, and then no more mods for the year.
Yeah, I'm chill.
No more mods for the year, right, wifey?
Yeah, exactly.
Cut.
Squat. Squat. Asian squat.
Asian squat, bro. Like maybe you come here, like right here as the pole, and it's super.
Yeah.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Cool.
Oh, that's good. Drop. Got everybody. I got the feature. Oh, yeah, you all prepared. No more green ticks, gang.
I know, thank God.
You had an iPhone the whole time.
Yes. Since day one, I'm like, yo, this guy has green text.
Again, for those of you guys that haven't seen the interior fully, M4 CS, I love the black and red stitching. It absolutely looks amazing. You have the big screen with the ambient lighting. Look at that. That's hard. His car just popped up on the screen. We have the CS Carbon Center console. Look at those. CS badge. These buckets go crazy. Just kidding. It's Danny's new car.
Hey, we out here. Upgrade.
My boy Daniel is actually gonna go take the GTR for a test drive with Danny. So we'll see what he thinks when he returns. Forgot to show you guys too. Ben even has this sticker up here.
They're changing, improving a little bit. That's where we should.
Big baller band, full spec sheet, so crazy. And then even the CS hood, tab painted, and you have this exposed carbon stripe right here. That is sick. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for the reveal. People are headed out. We are gonna get some food and wrap up this vlog. Oh yeah, Miguel Beamer pulled up in the wagon. Sounds good. Double D.
What a real car feels like.
Where are we gonna eat? Where are we gonna go?
Ho? Aren't you like F82 Ho with the Java right now?
No, that's it. Yeah, you want to trade? HRE gang back? All right, what do we think?
Dude, solid.
For the vlog.
Solid.
It's different, right? It's different.
Yeah. It's like for the weight of the car, it feels amazing. The power to weight ratio.
Right.
It's pretty nimble too.
Yeah, I've said it since day one. Like, I really don't feel the weight.
Maybe next car? P car or GTR?
Nah, you can just drive mine whenever, bro. Real question though, where are we going to eat? All right, teleported to Yukaku. Get some Japanese barbecue with the fam.
Fat boys, we out here.
Before we end the vlog.
Then celebration dinner.
You already know.
Lunch.
Yes, sir.